Hello friends, welcome in Code with Hubble Labs. Today's lesson is create and install pod. So let's start. So you first of all open terminal to create. So add our project path. So first of all write cd command and our folder project folder drag and drop here. So automatic to adjust your path and enter. So this is our path selected as our folder and ls to check our projects folders in path and pod in it to create pod file and double click to open another, right click to open xcode or text file and write popular pods sd web image is installed. So pod and quotes, double quotes or single quotes to write our third party pod, another open text file, maybe not open in your direct, double click to and pod install to install our pods. This is install pods using third party libraries and another like Firebase project and etc. So after install pod files to create a workspace file and double click to open. This is a workspace file. After pod install, every time work in workspace file. So this is our install successfully and created target ports in here. So we try to build, sorry, my iPhone is not connected with certificate. So build, if build successfully is our prod is proper integrate, yeah, successfully build and launch. So successfully integrate. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel, hit the notification bell, you will get notification latest video. Thank you.